Now, dear friends,
Yes, sir.
yeah, do you see this? Yeah,
Yes, sir. It's visible.
see, look at here. I have a variable called name. See, it's supposed to be. Look at here. I just change it, delete it. I take a box. I would like to bring the name. I just type it as name. Okay, and I would like to change the color also. I change it. I make it as blue. I increase. Yeah, okay. Fix the size and the color, everything. Okay, right. I've taken it. Now look at here. It says name, right? Right click it and see then variable. Yeah. Yes. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you? Then
Yes,
somebody.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Look at here. I've placed it exactly here. Now I go back to Excel sheet. Say I've got an Excel sheet already. Look at here. It is named as book. Okay, it is named as book 1. So as it is, I have not named it in a special way. See, I've got only one variable here. See, same procedure for all the variables, right? I have got the variables and I have saved it as usually. Save as in the desktop. I would like to save it as CSV delimited, right? I just name it as data. Am I clear? Data. I have made it as data. I save it, right? I have saved it. It asks me, do you want to keep using that format? Press yes. Okay, just close it. Then again it will ask, press yes, save. Again it will ask, press save. Okay, click yes. Click yes. Continuously click yes. See, I've got a file called data. I've got file CSV file called data, right? So this procedure, I suppose all of you know it, right? Till then, I go back. See, I have a designed certificate, already designed certificate. I have this name. Now, what should I do? I go to image. Step 1, we have to define the variable. First step. Click here and choose name. See here. See, so many variables will be here. See, I have got so many variables, so many layers, everything is there. Out of which you will have to choose the correct variable. The variable that we are going to replace with the data is name, right? I click here and click text replacement and click name. Okay, name, same name. Click as the same name, right? Okay, click type whatever name that you have given for this layer and the same name. Okay. Once you have completed, press OK. I have completed, right? So I just go back, variables, and I will have to go for data set. I click over. Now I have to import the file that I have the data, right? I click over here, select file, go to desktop, and here at the bottom, look at here. At the bottom, you've got text format and CSV format. See, normally you can have two ways. Number one, as text file or CSV file. Now, what is the format that we have the file, data file?
CSV file.
CSV. Click over CSV and select the file where we have the actual data. I click data and load. See, it is loaded. Okay, it is loaded. And please select these two options. Use the first column for dataset name and replace existing dataset. See, select these two. Okay, please enable these two and press OK. Once again, I shall do that. See, I shall do it again, the same process. I just go back to image, click variables. The first one, we have defined the data, right? Second, click dataset and come back here to import. Click here, click select file. Look at here, there are two files format available. Right now, you can even have it in the file, text file. But right now, I have it in CSV. Click here and select the data, load it. So I have loaded the file, press OK. Am I clear? See, I've got it. Now, what should we do? Just press OK. That's all. Am I clear to you? I'm pressing OK. Now go back, file, come down and click expert, data set as files. Okay, I've pressed expert, data set as files. Okay, now what are the names that I have? See in the file, I just would like to show you before I move on. See, I've got how many names? 3 names, Vimal Jaral, Kamal Hassan, Rajinikanth, right? I just close it. Go back to Photoshop. Now go to file, expert, data sets as file, click here. Then it will ask for the folder where you want to have the file. Am I clear? Where you want to have the file. Just click over here and select the folder. For example, I just select desktop and create another folder. Okay, I'm creating another folder in the desk. I want it in the desktop. I want to create another folder. For example, I name it as certificates. Okay, maybe DBT certificates, right? Then click OK. Select it and press OK. And press OK here. Once you have done, all the certificates will be given here. See, click here. See DBT certificates, a folder, no? When I click here, I've got 3 certificates. One certificate is for Vimal Jaral, another certificate. See, I just click over the certificate and I get a Photoshop file. Look at here. See, Kamal Hassan. This file is for Kamal Hassan. See, the variable has come. And the second file, I just opened it for you. It is in the desktop. See here, this is for Rajinikanth. See, I've got file for Rajinikanth. Am I clear to you? So I here now I'm going to once again define the entire process again. Please note it carefully. We are now going for 2 variables. Am I clear to you? Now look at here. I shall just take this. I'm just removing this. I'm saving as another file. Save as. I just name it as model certificate. Please follow carefully. I'm going to make it as 2 variable. Right. I'm removing it. Removing the text. This one. Okay. Yeah, I just want to keep it here. 1 variable here. Another variable here. Right. For example, this is name or full name. I make it as full name. See, there should not be gap. And now here itself, you will have to give the color, define the color. Whatever color that you are given, the same color will be printed. Am I clear to you? I just make it full so that the names may be small or big. So I make it full. Am I clear? And the color that I give is dark color. Okay, brown color. Right, I've got it. This is full name. And the second one is institution. Okay, institution, right? Color, size, everything you will have to define, right? How many variables we have got? Please tell me how many variables we have got?
2
variables, right? Okay, fine. Now look at here. Yeah, look at here. I've got 2 variables. Now we are going to create Excel file. Yes, I have opened an Excel file. I'm going to get one is name as the same has to be there. See, whatever that you have given a variable, same has to be there. Full name and institution. So I have typed full name and institution. Right, I have typed. Okay. Sorry. I would like to have few data. Right. I'm just going to type few names here. Maybe Dr. Manivannan. Right. Now Dr. Sharmila. Dr. Miranda. Dr. Anu Goel. Okay, like that we have got one more data. Maybe Dr. Tyagaraj. Okay, I have typed the name and institution name. Look at your first institution. See, I just go purposefully a long name. St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Okay, now go for Bharati Dasan University. Okay. Okay, we have got how many data set? We have got 5 data set, right? So totally 5 records we have. Okay, totally 5 records we have. Now what do I do immediately after saving it? What format should I save? I just click save as. I just save it in the desktop. The file name, I keep the file name as maybe data set, Vimal. I just keep it as Vimal. Okay, file name as Vimal. Click here and select CSV delimited. So the other way also you can save. See, you can even save it as text file also. For example, look at here. We shall try this text file. See, text tab delimited. Text tab delimited, right? I've clicked over here. This time we are going for, instead of CSV, see here, CSV comma delimited is here. And one more format is text tab delimited. I click here, this file, right? See, I just name it as Vimal. Make sure you just understand this, right? Then it asks me, do you want to keep that format? Yes. Press yes. Close it. And it will ask you again, press save. I have saved it. Again it asks, press save. Save. Yes. So you will have to press continuous yes. 2-3 times you'll have to press yes, yes, save, yes. Okay, something like that. Right. I go to image. I click variables. First we have to define, then go for data sets. I just click define. Okay. I will have to select the first. For example, what is the first name that we have with this? Look at here. Okay, I've got full name. So I shall select full name. Okay. Then what should you do? Text replacement. What should you have? You have to type it as full name. I'm sorry, exactly as it is, right? Full name, right? Okay. Then I've got full name. Then go for the next one. Go for the next one. Next is, we have got, what is that? Institution. You just find out where is the institution. See, we have got so many. Yeah, it is here. We have got so many layers here. That's why you have long list, right? All the layers will be here. So I will have to choose appropriate layers. I just select institution, click text replacement and type as institution. So I have selected and typed as institution, right? Okay. We have defined it. Press OK. Am I clear? Press OK. Fine. Now we go second process. We go for the second process. Click variables. Go for data sets. Now what should you do? You have to import the file. I click over import. So once again I shall do that. See here, I just click over import, click here, then select file, click here. See, what is the file name that we had? What is the file name that we had? See, as usually I told you, there are 2 files. See here, CSV file or text file. What is the file that we are supposed to search for? Text or CSV? This time text file. I just click text file and click Vimal load. Okay, loaded. Click OK. Click OK. And before you click OK, you will have to enable these 2 boxes. Okay, check boxes. Press OK. Now I have pressed OK. I am ready. Right? I have clicked OK. Okay. The process is over. 2 processes we have done. One is we have defined and we have created data set. Now we have to export. Just click file. Click export. This time it is not image. Okay. We go to a file, export and click as data sets. Data set as files. Click here. Then look at here. See here. See, you will have to select the folder. First understand, you will have to select the folder. I click here and go to desktop. I would like to do a separate folder. See here. Instead of desktop, I want, okay, let us keep it in the desktop itself, right? I just want to go for separate folder. I just click here and make it as certificate, college day certificate, college day certificate. I make the folder name as college day certificate. See here, select the folder and press OK. So we have now chosen the place where the files have to be chosen. Now, look at another very important thing is that, so see here, you've got all the people whomever the data set that we have. Okay, we can even create one by one, or we want to go for as whole. Now look at your file extension. We can have two way. See, right now, the problem is that with the edition that we have is you can even create PDF file. We can create even a PDF file, but it does not support here because this version doesn't support. See, we have to define the pattern. Now, right now, I wanted to have PST file. I just, okay, I'm okay with the PST file. Just click OK. Once you click OK, all the files will be ready. You can give the entire folder, then the printer will print. Now look at here, college day certificate. How many data that we had? Tell me how many data that we had?
5.
5 data. So how many certificates supposed to be created?
5.
5. Look at here, 5 certificates are created. So I just open the first one. Look at here, Dr. Anu Goyal, Hindu Banaras University. So we got the file. So if we give all these file to printer, he will print it in no time. Am I clear to you? So like this, you can have any number of data variables, maybe name, university, or other thing also. Okay, have you got it? Now over to you for clarification. Now I shall open the other files also. Now I would like to open other files too. Now look at here. What is the name of the folder that we had? We had the certificates, college day certificate. I click over here. See, I've got different files. Now I just select Miranda. Now look at here. See, Dr. Miranda, Mother Teresa University. So likewise, if you open all the files, you will have different folders. See, for example, Tyagaraj. I just click over here. Now look at here. See, Dr. Tyagaraj, Madras University. So this is not only 5 data. If you have thousands of data, within one click, 1000 certificate is generated. Am I clear? Now over to you for clarifications.
Sir,
Over
can
to you
we
for
take
clarification.
a photograph on this now, sir?
What is that?
Can we do with the photograph also, no, sir?
I couldn't get you, Tyagaraj. Could you please come again clearly?
So he's saying that can we include photo also?
Very good, very good. It is a wonderful question. See, same procedure for photograph also. Same procedure. I shall do one thing. See, for example, right now it will be too much for you because, continuously 2-3 times, even experts also sometimes, you may see the first time when we had the first full name with another machine. So it has connectivity with some other data file. Already we ran it from here, that machine. So we couldn't run it successfully. That's why we switched over to another system and we tried it. This was already done. This was designed by our lab assistant, Mr. Manivannan. He designed the certificate and I just explained the procedure from that end, from that machine. Okay, so tomorrow maybe, if not for tomorrow or maybe after 2-3 days, I will give you, maybe tomorrow, shall I give you a photograph or will you be ready? Will you be ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I shall give you photograph tomorrow. So but till then, you be acquainted with the data set text. Okay, tomorrow I shall give you the photograph. Maybe we can keep the photograph. I wanted to give you all together, but continuously, text and other layers will be treated separately. See, right now we use the data set as text replacement. Now, when we go for photo, the replacement, the layer is different. Text is different and the layer photo is different. So for that, slightly modified procedure will be there. So we'll have to change it. So I will do that tomorrow. Now I would like to go for consultation. Now I will give you attendance certificate. Attendance. Since it has gone beyond time. Now, my dear friends, I would like to get opinion from you. We have class tomorrow. Tomorrow morning class is there. Our evening class won't be there because Christian institutions, Christians go for their virtuals tomorrow because it is a holy Thursday. So they go for rituals. Okay, prayers and prayer service. So morning session we have. I want all of you to come for the morning session. Morning session, I will deal with the photo, addition of photo, and we will also go with the other processes, other regular classes. Am I clear to you? Okay. Now, any clarification?
Sir, morning time will be for 10, na? 10.
Yeah, will that be okay? All of you are okay with 10?
Yes, sir. Because after that we have to go to school also, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Shall we have it at 10 or even earlier? Shall we
10
have it
will
at
be-
10 is okay? Everyone, I want to have your opinion. 10 is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 is okay. Okay, as usually, right? Okay, okay. Now, once again, I shall explain you the procedure. Please keep it in your mind. Now, design the certificate and fix up the variables in the certificate, right? Number 1. Okay, look at here. I have fixed it as name. See, I'm not talking about this certificate. Look at here. Okay, yeah, sorry. 1 minute. Yeah, look at here. I have defined it as full name and institution. Am I clear to you? Full name and institution, right? I have defined 2 variables. Okay, define it. Go to Excel and have the same name. Full name means there also full name. Institution means institution. Not even spelling mistake should be there. Okay. Right. And you will have to go to Excel and save it as either data. See, look at it. I just open it and show you. This is because this is very important. Even experts may go wrong. Right. Go to file, save as. Now look at here. There are 2 formats. One is text dap delimited or CSV, comma delimited. Right. Press OK. Any of these files. Okay. Then save it continuously. You'll have to press save, saves. Okay. Then come back to Photoshop. Go to image, variables. First, define the data. Okay, you'll have to choose the layer in which you are linking the data. Number 1. And number 2, you will have to select text replacement and give the text replacement. Am I clear? Right. Select the next layer and do the same. And press OK. And second one, you will have to go to image, variables, and press dataset. Click dataset. Here, you will have to press import and choose the file here. Select the file here. Select the file, click select file here and press OK, load. Okay. If you have CSV file, click here and the CSV file will appear here. So choose the appropriate file and press load. Okay, the file will be loaded. Click OK. Before you click OK, you have to enable these 2 buttons. Press OK. Then click OK. Then you will have to press OK. Then click OK. Then what should you do? You have to go to file, press export, click dataset, and click here. Select the folder where you want to have all the certificates. If it's 1000 certificates will also be generated in one click. Right? All the certificates will be generated and click OK. Am I clear? And the file extension by default here it is only PST. So we can even give the PST file for the printer to print the certificate as it is. Right? Okay. So this is all the procedure. So I request you to just try on your own. If you are not successful, don't worry. I shall come into your rescue. You should not be in a hurry. If you are in a hurry, we will make mess. So go slow and try. Tomorrow you can clarify all your doubts. Okay. And we will add photographs and other layers too. Maybe 5 layers. We will go for 5 layers. Right? With other data sets. Okay. All the data sets will be accomplished along with photographs. Okay. I'm going for ID card also tomorrow. Okay. We have the class, common class for you tomorrow. All of you kindly assemble at 10 o'clock. Evening session won't be there. And Fridays will be a holiday. Saturday we will have both the session, morning and evening. Both the session will be there. Sunday is a holiday. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any clarification, you may ask me.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, madam.
sir, for the data sets, no, sir, for importing the thing, when I import my file, sir, it.
Yeah. Yes, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, ma.
Sir, when I import my file and press OK, it tells that could not pass the file contents as a data set. There were too many variable names in the first line of the text file. So why is it showing like that, sir?
Ma, did you follow whatever that I have told you correctly?
Yes, sir.
You have to share your screen, ma. Only then I'll be able to get the problem. What is the exact problem? Okay, ma.
Okay, sir.
You do it whatever that the way that I have done, ma. Then it will be okay. Okay, ma. You just share the screen. Let me check. If you have any other clarification. Any other clarification? Kindly fill the attendance. Thank you for coming. Sorry for the delay that we had. Thank you. Any other clarification?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. You may
And
leave.
sir, I
please.
have done and I have generated 6 to 7 certificates.
Okay. Well, very good, very good, very good, madam. Excellent, madam. Are you successful?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, madam. Thank you, madam. So I want you to try. Okay. I think madam has shared. Yes, ma. I'm just looking at your file.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute, ma. Define.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just click, ma. 1 minute. Click OK, ma. Click OK. First step. Have you done the first step, ma?
Yes.
Have you done the first step?
Yes, sir.
Go back to your Excel sheet, ma.
1 second, sir.
Go back to your Excel sheet.
One second, sir.
Go back to your Excel sheet, ma.
So when is the last date for submitting the assignment? So
See, I have extended up to, you are supposed to do it before 31st, ma. I extended up 7th, ma. Till this weekend. Is that okay, pa? Till this weekend?
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Welcome.
Sir,
Yeah, yes, ma. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. See,
now I'm going for file.
oh, wait, ma. Wait, ma. Wait, ma. Wait, ma. Go back. Go back, ma. Go back, ma. Why have you left the first column, ma? First column free.
Okay, sir.
Delete it. Delete it, ma. 1 minute. Column, column, ma. Column, ma. Column, column, ma. No, ma. Column. Column, column. Delete column. Entire column. Yes. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Go to file. Go to file, ma. Save as. Desktop. Click that, ma. Click that. Click the save as type, ma.
Yes, sir.
No. See, have you? I told you, no. You have to save it as CSV file. Go to file, ma. Go to file. Go to
Sir,
file.
you. Okay, sir.
See, it is an ordinary Excel file, ma. Save as. Click save as, ma.
Yes, sir.
Go to, yeah. Oh, so you go. Okay. CSV or tab? Anything is okay, ma. Anything is okay, ma. Anything is okay. Text tab or CSV. Okay. Anything is okay, ma. Right. Press save, ma. So you say press yes.
Yes, sir.
Close it, ma. Close. Press save. Yeah. Press save, ma. Press yes. Press yes. Okay, ma. Fine. Now come back to Photoshop.
Yeah, 1 second, sir. Sir?
Yeah. Yes, ma.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm getting, ma. Go to image variables.
Define.
Fine. Okay. Click
The names.
name, ma. Okay. Text replacement names. Okay, ma. Fine. Yeah. Next one. Go to the next one, pa. Go to the second one, pa. Go to the second one. No. Click that arrow and choose that, ma. Click that arrow. No. On the top. Leila, no, ma. Click
Yes,
that.
sir.
1 minute, pa. 1 minute. Wait, ma. You are so fast. Please follow my instructions. Layer, no. Just click over there.
Yes,
Click. Yeah. Click, ma. Click there. Click there, ma.
Yes, sir.
You don't have another layer. Just click here. Click that arrow mark. Click that arrow mark. Click. Yeah. No, ma. No. Click that arrow mark, ma. Oh my God. You have pressed something else. Okay. Just.
Sir, next I have it as a mark.
Yeah. Okay. That you got mark. Okay. Press OK, ma. Press OK. Yes. Fine, ma. Go to image.
Yes, sir.
Variables,
Variables, data
data
set.
sets, ma. Click,
Yes.
ma. Import, click import, ma. Import, choose the file and select the what CSV, no? Last, no, you have done it in CSV, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click that.
Load
Okay.
and done, sir. And
Yeah. Very good, ma. Press
sir,
OK.
but for you the encoding was different, sir. That problem.
Okay, ma. Just click OK. Let me check. Yeah. Okay, ma. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Press OK, ma. Press OK, ma. Go to file, ma. I UTF-8, ma. Encoding UTF-8, but okay, no problem. File, expert. You have typed only English, no problem. Data sets. And select the folder, ma. Press OK.
Sir,
Okay, press OK, ma. Okay, ma. Yeah. Go back to your folder, ma. It is done, ma. Go to the desktop, ma.
yes, sir.
Where have you put it? Desktop or?
The desktop, sir.
Okay, ma. Just check with that, ma.
Got it, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, very good. God bless. Anybody
Sir?
else? Any other clarification? Yes.
Sir,
Yes, ma. Janisha, tell me, ma.
can I share my screen?
Yes, ma. What you have some problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I have typed the name.
Okay, ma.
Uh, in this, which I should save, sir?
You go to desktop, pa. Go to desktop. Go to the desktop. Go on the top. Yeah, desktop. Yeah. Okay. What is your name? Oh, no. Don't, please follow what I say. Okay. Please wait for my instruction, ma. Okay. Just change it as data file name. Data. Okay, pa. Click at the bottom. Excel workbook. Click there, ma. Excel workbook. Click Excel was save as type, no? Save as type. Click there, ma.
Yes, sir.
No, ma. No, ma. You save as, no, save as type. Save as type. Click that, ma. Click that. No, on the top, save as type, no. Click that Excel workbook. Yeah, click that arrow mark, ma. Arrow mark. No, ma. Data. No, my dear. See here. File name. You look at file name. Yeah, below that. Yeah, there is an arrow, no? No, ma. Below that, there is an Excel workbook, no? Click that arrow. Yes. My God. No, ma. I think you are not very clear about the file saving. Save as, ma. Save as type, no? It is there, no? Yeah. Click that. Click that arrow mark. Click that arrow mark, pa. Yeah. You don't get any. You don't have any values, pa, other than that? Janisha?
Sir?
You don't get anything there?
No, sir. Save as type. I'm getting Excel workbook, Excel Marco, enabled worker.
Yeah, that's what, ma. There will be a file name called CSV delimited. Choose that.
CSV delimited.
Do you have it?
Comma delimited.
Yeah. Click that. Yeah,
Yes,
very good, ma. Save it. Very good. Save
Yes,
it.
sir. Save it.
Yeah. And now close this, pa. Close this file. Close this Excel sheet. Have you closed, ma?
Yes, sir.
So press everything. Yes. Ma, okay, save it. Close it, ma.
Yes, sir.
We are not getting you, ma. We are not getting you. Your screen is not shared.
Yes, sir.
You got, ma? Okay, ma. Yeah. Now who is? Yeah. Okay, ma. Right. Where is the name, ma? No, ma. Go back to your file, ma.
Yes, sir.
What are you studying, pa?
7th standard, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Now you have to have the name, no? Name should be. You want to type the name in the line? Okay, just type name. Type name.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Draw a square and type name. Yeah, name. Very good, very good. Name. Very good, very good. Pa. Just click OK. Then go to keep it in a place. Right. Go to image. Pa. Go to image. Go to variables. Define. Now you have chosen name. The text. No, not visible. Wait, ma. Just remove that. Text replacement. Click that text replacement, ma. Yeah, text replacement, ma. Okay, very good, ma. Right. Press OK. Press OK, ma. You got only one data. Press OK. Okay, pa. Very good. Go back to image. Go back to image. And come down variables. Data sets. Now you have to go to import. Click over import. Click import, ma. Import, ma. Select file. Click select file. And where do you have your file part? Desktop. Click the desktop. Click over the desktop, pa. Where do you have the file, pa? Where do we have the file? Data file, ma.
I'll check, sir.
Choose that place, ma. You have to keep it in the desktop, ma, for time being. Yeah. Where did you save? Do you know where did you save? Okay, slowly, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam. Tell me, madam.
Sir, in text replacement column, we have to first we have to tick mark, then write the again full name, na?
Whatever name that you have on the top, no, that should be typed as exactly.
Yes, sir. Full name in both places.
Yeah.
Then afterward, okay. Then, sir, this box is coming. The variable name, full name is already in use by variable of a different type. Please choose a different name. It is coming like this.
You just try again, madam. Try again, madam. Your data file is not clear. You try again, madam.
I actually got the same thing as ma'am got. So.
I have tried so many times. Again and again, it is coming.
No, madam. I just tried define. I just showed it to you, no, ma. You
Sir,
try, madam. Try once again, madam.
Yes, define, and then full name. Then in.
You please share your screen, madam. I will just clarify you. Before that, how about Janisha? Have you got it, ma? Did you find out?
Sir, I'm saving it again, sir.
Yeah, do it, ma. Do the same process, ma. Okay, ma.
Yes, sir.
Where is it? Go to the desktop, pa. Go to the desktop. Anu, madam, kindly wait.
Okay,
See, until otherwise you share the screen only, we'll be able to see. Just with the camera, we are not able to see anything because it is only a small area. 1 minute, kindly hold for some time.
Yeah, sir. No problem.
We'll finish this girl. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Save it in the desktop, pa. Where is it, ma?
Sir, I think it is already in desktop. She have to change the file type as a CSV file or whatever which she has saved it.
Yeah, thank you. Janisha.
Sir,
Janisha, first of all, you have to save the file as CSV, ma. Okay. Keep it in the folder and choose correctly. Now you are confused about where you have saved the file. Be clear about where you relaxedly you do it. Okay, ma?
Sir, it is in desktop.
Yes, sir.
Desktop, you have to check, click desktop and the file type.
CSV. CSV, ma. CSV.
Search.
Bottom, ma. No, ma. 1 minute, ma. Please follow what we say. Go to the desktop. Go to the desktop, ma. Yeah. Then come down, yeah. Come down. Come down, yeah. Come down, yeah. Come down. Yes. Click that. CSV. Choose CSV. Thank you for reminding, madam.
Thank you.
Let's see, madam. Yes. Click that, ma. Okay. Very good. Fine. Press OK, pa. Press OK. Press OK, pa. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, ma. What is the message that you get, ma?
could not parse the file contents as the data set.
Okay, maybe your file name and other things may be wrong, ma. You just do the same procedure, ma. Okay, the same procedure only. Okay, right. You can do it. Then go to file, expert. You follow the other instructions. Okay, ma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Very
you.
good. Very good. Make sure your Excel file should be CSV, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anna ma'am, your screen is very, very small. I'm not able to. Yeah,
Excuse
okay,
me,
ma'am.
sir.
1 minute. Yeah.
That Anu ma'am is
Just
saying,
visibility.
sir.
Just click visibility. Click disable visibility, madam. Disable.
Hi, sir.
visibility.
That is what it is saying.
Disable visibility, madam. 1 minute. Disable visibility. Thank you for responding, madam. Somebody. Disable visibility, madam. Dr. Anu, disable the visibility. Madam, am I audible to you?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Disable visibility. Press OK now. Okay, madam. See, since we have started wrongly, that is a problem that I also had. You can redo it again. Press start fresh. No problem. Okay, madam.
Excuse me, sir. In visibility, na full name is already written. That is why it is saying ki it is using by another. Only
That's
one
what-
place it should be, sir.
Yeah. That's what, madam. She has to disable it.
Only in text replacement I have to
Please
write now.
disable it. Disable it, madam.
Ma'am, you have written in visibility it is Tikna and full name is also written under the visibility. That should not be there.
Yeah, disable, madam. Disable that. Disable that visibility.
Sir, I am doing this. The variable.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Next time, please do it with a new file. New file. Just try with a new file and have only text replacement, not the visibility. Okay, don't touch that. Okay, madam. Do it again. Okay, madam. Yeah. You'll be
Excuse
having
me,
the
sir.
same.
I'm not able to fill the attendance. That link I'm trying again and again. It is stucking in between, sir.
Yes,
Who is
sir.
that? Madam, see, simple thing, madam. Just follow the instruction, whatever that I have given. You can share your screen.
Done.
Very good. Very good, madam. Rajini, madam.
Sir,
Can you please-
attendance link is not opening, sir. It is stuck in between. Attendance link.
Oh, you are talking about attendance link or
Yes,
the.
attendance link, sir. Attendance
Okay,
link.
okay. 1 minute, madam. 1 minute. I shall do it again. Try again, madam. Try again, madam. I thought, madam has got already. Then why she is asking about? You have done it first, no?
Yes, sir. No, I'm telling to Anu ma'am where the visibility, na, there
Yeah,
it was
okay,
written. That is why it is
fine.
not.
Very good. You have become expert, madam. Really, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Yeah, yes, pa.
sir, actually it came, sir,
Okay, ma.
like this.
No, I'm not able to see, ma. 1 minute, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Yes, sir, I will share.
Janisha, don't worry, Janisha. You will get it, yeah. Slowly when you work, no? When you follow all the process, you will get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Don't be tensed.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, I am seeing, ma. I am seeing. Okay. What have we done? Okay, variable you got, no? Okay, press
Yes,
OK.
sir.
Import. Have you pressed import, ma? That procedure have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, press OK, ma. Press OK. Okay, fine. Go to file. You've done it. Very good. Go to file. Expert. Press expert. Data sets as file. Data set as file, ma. Then now you have to choose the folder. Select folder, no? Go to select folder and click desktop. Just simply click desktop. Then make new folder. Click make new folder. Type something. Type. Have some name for the folder. No. In the folder. No. In the new folder. No. Go to select new folder. Yes. Click here. Click that. No, ma. 1 minute. 1 minute, pa. 1 minute. The type new name. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Very good, ma. Okay. Okay, ma. Press OK. Press OK. Now press OK, ma. Press OK, ma. Go to your desktop, ma. Go to your desktop, ma. Minimize. Minimize and go to your desktop, ma. Go to your desktop, ma. Ma, go to your desktop, ma. Janisha, are you listening?
Yes, sir, I went, sir.
Okay, because I'm not able to see. Have you got the file?
Uh,
Have you got it, ma?
1 minute, sir, I'm checking. No, sir, I didn't get it.
No, ma. Did you have the folder? Do you have the folder? Do you have that folder, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Click that, ma. I'm not able to see your screen, ma.
Yes, sir. I shared. Sir,
Okay.
I have.
Yeah, click that, ma. Click open that, ma. Oh, you don't have anything. Okay, then there is something wrong with the procedure that you have followed, ma. You, Janisha, you do one thing, ma. You follow step by step with the record, ma. We will avail the record soon, as soon as possible. Okay, ma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. God bless you. Don't worry, Janisha. You will get it. Okay. You got all the thing, only except one or two mistake here and there. That can be rectified. Okay, ma. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Great.
Thank you.
Great. Very good. Yes, Tyagaraaj.
Sir, but I completed at defining and when I the data sets it is showing less could not parasite more that like showing, sir.
What is the message you are getting, pa?
Could not parasite the text more than one line, sir. Could not parasite the file content as data set. There were too many variable names in the first line of the text file.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry, Tyagaraaj. I request you to go through the video content, follow step by step, pass it and follow step by step. Is that okay, ma? Is that okay, ma? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank
Excuse
you.
me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, after the data sets, we have to click on import now.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Sir,
Yes.
when I'm clicking on here, then
Yeah.
select file
Yeah.
or enable this replace existing data sets.
Okay, madam. Madam, I think you already you had a mistake, no? That is why the problem arises. Okay. I want you to make that tick. Enable that box. Enable that box.
Both boxes, sir.
Yeah. Both. I told you, no. This is very important process.
Then select file.
Yeah. Okay. Select. Say, have you not selected file?
No, sir, no.
Select it, madam.
Okay, sir. Then load.
Okay. Press. Yeah. Load. Click OK.
Sir, this box is coming. Could not complete your request because the file is already in use or was
Close it, madam. Close. You have to close the file. That's why I told you to close, no? Before you use, you will have to close, no, madam. Close it, madam. Close it and try.
Excel
Close
file.
the file. Excel file, you have to close, madam.
Okay.
Yeah, it should not be open.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Then click on OK.
Yes, madam.
Again, it is coming.
Okay, madam. Madam, you please follow the videos, madam. Step by step, you follow it, madam. Once again. Okay, madam. This error unknowingly, if you press some other options, you will have this error. Okay, madam.
Okay,
I request you to go through step by step. It's a simple process. Okay, I have repeated 2-3 times. It's a simple process. You will get it, madam. Don't worry. If you have unknowingly clicked or you have not enabled anything, then you will get the problem. I'm not able to read what is the problem that you get. Okay, so you'll be able to make it. It is a simple process. Please watch the video. We will be availing the video shortly, very shortly. Okay, madam. Madam, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Great of you. I appreciate your efforts consistently.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
really great of you. Rajini madam, if your attendance is not opening, then don't worry. Okay. All the others have given, only one you have the problem. No problem. We will work on it. Okay. Thank you. We shall call it a day. We'll meet tomorrow at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tyag. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. We shall call it a day. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.